Hi, I'm Professor Ryan and I want to show you something that I've been building that's now live on Crowd Supply. It's called the Jupyter I/O board, an open source development and data acquisition platform designed to make real-world interfacing easy, reliable, and adaptable. So because it's open source, all of the firmware and software that drives the board can be easily manipulated through a series of libraries by AI platforms such as ChatGPT or other large language models. So you don't need to be an expert in microcontroller programming or an expert in Python or any high-level language to use this board. You think of the application and then you can use AI platforms to write the program for you. So that makes data acquisition simple to use. Whether you're working with sensors, legacy lab equipment, or industrial control systems, this board gives you full access to analog and digital I/O with integrated SPI, I2C, and UART support, all handled by a low-power MSP 430. That's the board, and this is the GUI that runs the board. Right now it's connected to a number of digital outputs and some analog inputs. So for instance, we can turn on a buzzer, an alarm. We can run the heat lamp. The heat lamp is heating a thermocouple. You can read the thermocouple right here. The thermocouple right now reads out in voltage that can be calibrated into a temperature. And you can also stir. So basically you can use this as a cooking program if you wanted to. The firmware, Python GUI, and support libraries are all open source and structured so you can quickly adapt them to your needs. Better still, they're built in a way that plays well with AI-assisted development. Want to create a custom data logger, a feedback control loop, a low latency experimental trigger? AI tools can help you generate just the part you need without rewriting the foundation by using those libraries, existing open source libraries. This board is ideal for engineers, researchers, educators, and makers who want high-level results without low-level complexity. It is also a great teaching tool. I'm launching a YouTube course that walks through real-world computer interfacing using this exact board.